I know you'll be busy, but I'm sweating you. I just wanna check, come flex for you. Finance, always been the best in the
What are you
West.
doing here? Just go away.
No. No, I'm not going anywhere until you come out here and you talk to me.
I just be wanting to chill, yeah. I'm trying to get me a deal, yeah. I need to get on my bills, oh. I think the best of being hungry. Stop that, leave me alone. Can you just let it go? You don't know me. But right now, I'm alone.
Why the hell you do that?
That was for killing BlackLightning.
But why you mad about that?
I just be wanting to chill, yeah. I'm trying
He saved me from the 100. Did you forget about that?
Okay, Jay, look, believe me, he is okay. And I didn't even mean to kill him on purpose. I was just getting used to my own strength.
Do you think that explains everything? You attacked the school, Khalil. You attacked our friends.
I had to! You don't get it, Jay. Look, I'm caught up. Tobias gave me legs. That means I have to do whatever the hell he tells me to, or else he will kill me, Jen. Yeah. I tried to forget you. Really, I did. But it doesn't work. Look, I know you have feelings for me too. Say you don't. Say you don't have feelings for me, Jay. See, you can't. You can't because
I'm gonna call the police.
But you think I'm afraid of the police?
Khalil, get the hell out of here. Now.
I'm good on my own, on my own, on my